Germany is calling. It's a land of opportunity for nurses seeking personal and professional growth. But to truly thrive, you need more than just your nursing skills. You need German. Why? Because clear communication with colleagues and patients is paramount. Speaking German builds trust, prevents misunderstandings, and ultimately enhances patient care. Your German skills are your greatest asset in navigating this exciting new chapter. Imagine confidently communicating with your patients, understanding their concerns, and providing the best possible care. Picture yourself building strong relationships with your German colleagues, sharing laughter and experiences. This is the power of language. It opens doors not just to a new job, but to a new life. Mastering German is an investment in your future. It demonstrates your commitment to your profession and to integrating into German society. It unlocks opportunities for career advancement and personal fulfillment. So, are you ready to embark on this rewarding journey? Let's get started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the GK Health Passport channel for more videos. Your journey to success starts here. Welcome to Week 1. This week we're laying the foundation for your German fluency. Don't worry, we're starting with the basics. Focus on everyday greetings and introductions. These are phrases you'll use constantly, so let's make them second nature. Start by learning how to say hello and goodbye in various contexts. Practice introducing yourself, asking others how they are, and saying please and thank you. These simple phrases go a long way in making a good first impression. Remember, repetition is key. Use flashcards, language learning apps, or even sticky notes around your house to memorize these essential phrases. The more you practice, the more natural they will become. By the end of this week, aim to confidently greet people, introduce yourself, and engage in basic small talk. You're already on your way to fluency. Congratulations on completing Week 1. Now let's delve into the backbone of the German language grammar. Don't be intimidated, we'll keep it simple and focus on the essentials. This week we'll tackle basic sentence structure. German sentence structure is different from English, but it follows clear rules. Learn the word order for simple sentences, such as subject, verb, object. Master the art of conjugating verbs in the present tense. Understanding these fundamentals will unlock your ability to form your own sentences. Utilize grammar exercises in textbooks or language learning apps to solidify your understanding. Try constructing your own simple sentences about your daily routine or interests. Remember, practice makes progress. By the end of Week 2, you'll be able to form basic sentences, express simple ideas, and feel more confident in navigating the structure of the German language. Keep up the great work! Section 4, Week 3, Medical German, Speaking the Language of Care. You've mastered the basics, now it's time to dive into the heart of your profession, medical German. This week we'll focus on building your vocabulary related to nursing and healthcare. Begin by learning the names of common medical equipment, body parts, and medical conditions. Familiarize yourself with essential phrases for taking patient histories, explaining procedures, and providing comfort and reassurance. Use flashcards, medical dictionaries, or online resources to expand your medical vocabulary. Practice role-playing common scenarios you might encounter at the hospital. For example, try asking a friend to describe their symptoms in German while you take notes. By the end of Week 3, you'll feel more confident communicating in medical settings. You'll be able to understand and respond to basic medical inquiries, further bridging the language gap between you and your patients. Section 5, Week 4, Active Communication, Practice Makes Perfect. You've built a solid foundation. Now it's time to put your knowledge into action. This week is all about active communication, speaking, and listening. The key is to immerse yourself in the German language as much as possible. Find a language partner, either online or in person, to practice speaking German regularly. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Watch German movies and TV shows with subtitles to train your ear to the rhythm and intonation of the language. Consider joining a German conversation group or online forum to engage in discussions and learn from others. The more you practice speaking and listening, the more comfortable and fluent you will become. By the end of Week 4, you'll have significantly improved your pronunciation, listening comprehension, and conversational skills. You'll be well on your way to confidently communicating with patients and colleagues in German. Section 6, Immersion at Home, Creating a German Environment. Learning German extends beyond textbooks and classrooms. Create an immersive environment at home to reinforce your learning and make it a part of your daily life. This will accelerate your progress and make the process more enjoyable. Surround yourself with the German language. Listen to German music and podcasts while cooking or commuting. Change your phone and social media settings to German. Even simple changes like these can make a big difference. Challenge yourself by reading German news websites, watching German documentaries, or even trying out simple German recipes. The key is to make German a constant presence in your daily life. By immersing yourself in the language, you'll naturally absorb new vocabulary and grammar, improving your fluency and comprehension without even realizing it. It's about making German a part of your life, not just a subject to study. Section 7. Your Journey to Fluency. Congratulations on completing this 4-week crash course in German for nurses. Remember, this is just the beginning of your language learning journey. Fluency is a marathon, not a sprint, and consistency is key. Continue practicing regularly, even after you've achieved a conversational level. Set realistic goals, celebrate your achievements, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're valuable learning opportunities. Embrace the challenges and rewards of learning a new language. The doors that German will open for you, both professionally and personally, are immeasurable. Keep your motivation high, your efforts consistent, and your goals in sight. You're on your way to a brighter future in Germany.